Hello friends, Running Kimono here. So in today's video, we're going to be talking about the Earn 20 when you spend 40 booster, how it works. And believe it or not, these are all freebies and money makers. So this is a spectacular, spectacular booster. So a lot of us got one of these two or both. The first one is the Earn 20 when you spend 40. It's valid from April the 27th to May the 3rd, that window. And then the one below is valid from the 30th of April to May the 20th, which is Earn 10 when you spend 30 on allergies. These two will ideally stack starting on the 30th, which is next Sunday, but it's terrific. We are going to be looking specifically at this booster if you wish to use it because it starts on Thursday the 27th. And yeah, it's going to be absolutely terrific. Couple rules for the new shoppers out there. For the spend 40, get back 20. Again, it's valid from that window of April the 27th to May the 3rd. It is of a one-time use. So if it's still floating around in your digital coupons folder, it is a one and done. And it traditionally will stack with a paper booster as well. Now for the allergy, that's April the 30th to May the 20th. Now theoretically on April the 30th, which is Sunday, you can buy $40 of merch. If you buy at least 30 of allergy medications, you should be getting $30 back with the spend 40, get 20, and then the 10 back when you spend 30 on allergies. So that's going to be terrific, and I'll probably make a video just for allergy meds this coming Sunday. For the balance, pay with your debit card. Do not use any Walgreens, cash, store register rewards, or IVC coupons, or it's going to mess up the math. Two boosters that I just showed you in the last slides. This is the paper booster that will tend to stack. This is a really good example of spend 10, get $5 back if you are so lucky to get this one. You could take a quick second and like this video. I would be so grateful. It really helps me out if you take a quick second and just give this video a big thumbs up. Okay guys, so this morning I did put $50 of Olay skincare, the really expensive stuff, into a basket. They have a spend 20, get back 5. Plus I got my $20 of Walgreens cash. So yes, this booster is in fact working, curbside and in-store. Also, I did not include any Olay or Dove in any of these scenarios. And here's why. Because these IBOTTA rebates are going so quickly. Like, before you say, you know, Dove or Olay, they're either missing or they vanished, and I didn't want any sort of confusion with that, so I've purposefully excluded them, just to note that. But if you wish to get either one, I mean, double, triple check your rebate apps. I believe Dove is now gone, but Olay is there, but how long, it's unknown. Okay, so the first deal I want to talk about, we need our best friend loaded, which is 20 back when you spend 40. How awesome is this booster? And I love all three matchups that I made, so any one of them is an absolute winner. The first thing that we're going to do, and you can do this deal either curbside or in-store, you pick. We're going to grab two of these Bulldog products at $7.79, and they're on a buy one, get one 50% off promotion, $4 of Walgreens cash when you buy two. Make sure that you have this guy loaded, which is a 7 off 2 digital coupon. I mean, it doesn't get any better than this. And then we're going to grab two of the children's Axe mouth rinses, and we're going to load this dollar digital coupon. Alternatively, you can get the adult Act mouth rinse as well. It's a little bit more, but the children is definitely the way to go. And then coupons.com also has a dollar rebate for this mouth rinse. And then we're going to get one of these Cremo razors for $17.99. Some of us have this digital coupon. Hopefully you have the same if you're buying the same stuff as I, which is a $6 off, very generous coupon. And then if you shift over to IBOTTA, they're giving back $8 for buying one of these razors. So that's really fantastic. And then the final item we need to grab to get our basket right to $40 is one of these Hallmark cards. And you can do this basket either curbside or in-store, you pick. Okay, so two of the Axe mouthwashes is $9.58, two of the Bulldogs for $11.68, one Cremo razor for $17.99, one Mother's Day card for $2.99. If you're doing it in store, you'll have to grab a $3.99 card, just to note that, because that $3 digital will not come off with a $2.99 card in store. So make a note of that right here. So the total for this is $42.24. Have your booster loaded of earn 20 when you spend 40. We have $17 in digital manufacturers melting off from the slides I just showed you. With your debit card, you're going to pay $25.22. Get back $28 in Walgreens cash, 20 for the booster, 4 for Act, and 4 for Bulldog. Then $8 back from IBOTTA for that Cremo razor, and then make a submission to coupons.com for $1 back for one of your Act mouthwashes. So it makes this free plus an $11.77 money maker. Now, if you get the $3.99 Mother's Day card instead of the $2.99 if you do it in store, it's going to be a $10.70 money maker. Remember, as you're using that booster of spend 40, get back 20. Do not use any Walgreens cash or store register rewards to pay down the balance, or it's going to mess things up. Okay, so the next deal that we're going to look at, we are going to do this deal in store. It has to be done in store. No ifs, ands, or buts. We need our best friend loaded, which is earn 20 when you spend 40. So make sure that you have that guy loaded. We're going to be looking for 2 different Crest toothpaste, and these are the fancier ones. So we're going to grab one that says Brilliance at $6.99 and one that says Gum at $6.99. Please make sure you're grabbing the right toothpaste, and it can be rather confusing. But there's this registered reward that's going to print $5 when you buy 10, and you're buying like $13.98, so you are already there. And this is the digital coupons that we're loading. We have a $3 off for Brilliance and then the $3 for the gum. So load the $6 of digital coupons. Now over on IBOTTA, you will be getting back an extra $2 for each. So that's $4 back. Plus, if you're buying both of the flavors, you will get a bonus of 75 cents. So this deal just keeps getting better as I keep talking. And the final item that you're going to grab for this basket is one of these Olay Total Effects Tone Correcting CC Cream for $26.99. We have a $5 digital coupon that is attaching to that best friend. Now, with the Crest and this Olay product, you are well past the spend 20, earn $4 register reward. So this just works out perfectly. Looking at the math for this, and again, we're doing this deal in store because of the register rewards. We are grabbing 2 of the Crest Fancy, 1 Gum, 1 Brilliance for $13.98, 1 Olay Total Effects for $26.99 for a total of $40.97. Have your booster loaded of spend 40, get back 20. We have $11 in digital manufacturers melting off, not too shabby. With your debit card, pay $29.97. You're getting back $20 in Walgreens cash for the booster. Then you're going to get back a $5 register reward for spending 20 on skincare. You're also going to get back a $5 register reward from Crest, and then $4 register reward, the P&G one. So it makes this a very good deal, but hang on to your hat. You're also getting $4.75 back from IBOTTA. So it makes your basket free plus an $8.78 money maker. Remember not to use any Walgreens cash or store register rewards to pay down your balance, or it's going to mess things up. But what a fabulous deal. Okay, so this final deal, and really pay attention, guys. We're doing this one as a curbside. So we need our best friend loaded, which is earn 20 when you spend 40. And can't stress it enough, curbside, curbside, curbside. Please pay attention to that. We're going to be throwing in 2 of these VitaFusion gummies, 150 per container. So that is a lot of gummies. They are on a buy one, get one 50% off promotion. So that's $23.98. Load this, which is a 10 off of 2. As you can see, it has a quick expiry date. So you got to do it in the next couple of days to make it happen. And then we're going to get a mix mash of the Mother's Day Hallmark cards, a couple at $3.99, a couple at $2.99. A lot of us have this digital coupon, which is a $3 off. So hopefully you have multiples and make sure you have them all loaded. So remember, we're doing this curbside. So from the comforts of your home right now, you can just throw all this into a basket and see how it maths out for you. 2 of the VitaFusion at a BOGO 50% off is $23.98. 2 Hallmark Mother's Day cards at $3.99 a pop is $7.98, and then 3 of the $2.99 ones is $8.97 for a total of $40.93. Have your booster best friend loaded. We have $25 in digital manufacturers coming off. With your debit card, pay $15.93 plus tax. You're getting back $20 in Walgreens cash for the booster. It makes this free plus a $4.07 money maker. Do not use any Walgreens cash to pay down the balance. And with this one specifically, I know a lot of us only like gummy vitamins. I'm certainly that way. I don't like the old horse pills. So this is just a fabulous, fabulous deal. As always, thanks for watching, guys. We'll catch you in the next one. Bye.